Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about what are the storage classes in Amazon S3. S3 standard storage class is a default storage class in S3 that stores the user's data across multiple devices. It provides 99.99% availability and 99.99999999% durability. It can serve across of two facilities concurrently and provide low latency and high throughput performance. S3 standard IA infrequently accessed. This class is used when data is not accessed frequently but demands rapid access when needed. It is also designed to sustain the loss of two facilities concurrently and provide low latency and high throughput performance. S3 one zone and frequent access. This storage class is used by the user when data is accessed less frequently, but when it requires fast access when needed. It costs 20% less than standard IA storage class because it stores data in a single availability zone, unlike all other storage classes. It is cost-effective storage and a good choice for storing backup data. S3 Glacier. It is the cheapest storage class in Amazon S3 where you can store amazing data at a lower rate as compared to other storage classes but can be used for archive only. Let us see what the three types of models offered by S3 Glacier are. Expedited. Data is stored only for a few minutes. Standard. Retrieval time of standard model is 3 to 5 hours. Bulk. Retrieval time of bulk model is 5 to 12 hours.